Yes, my name is Diavalan Farran, aka Dia Warrior, and this is Dia Warrior music history. This is the first one of many which I'm going to show you people. This video is 22-year-old, so you're talking 1999, you understand? August 24th, 1999, we went to Trinidad with Sizzla Kalonji, you understand? And in those days, Caution Band was hot. We were playing for Bounty Killer and playing for all of the major artists, and you know, me and Teetimus used to freelance same way with other bands. So this particular show, we were playing in the Firehouse Crew band, and also Staff was on this show playing for Sizzla too, you know, from Rough Cut band, you know. And it's my pleasure to, you know, bring this to the public. Right now, my son I give me a strength, Zav call, and him have him film industry, film company where he might do him thing to Zav Film History. And more you check out him thing, same way. Check out that show, yeah. You understand? It's not normal. This is the real history of the dancehall music too. Where my son probably about 4-year-old them time they are so little picnic, so him don't know about them thing, yeah. Just like a lot of this generation don't know about these things. So me go show you what it's about. And this is Sizzla Kalonji in Trinidad. And this is, you understand, Dia Warrior and Teetimus, and we are all the vibes on the road and do a thing. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Where are you Teetimus?
Eh?
Where are you?
Trinidad. I got the whole I get on. I got lost and go there with the movie. Sometimes we take a verse. We have cheap like a Kali. Yeah, then when we have party this time when I'm here and there. All the from Steve. I watch Cheryl. Oh, you start watch Cheryl and come with you now.
Where's Smurf that one?
Eh?
Where's Smurf?
Where's Smurf? B-I-A, yeah, that's like our children. This is from Bobby, you know.
Yeah, man, I mean, I have to say, big up Danny Bassie.
Run that. I wish radio station that. Turn it up. I wish radio station that.
Million man a million.
Second man, they must start. Big show on the stuff.
Any overseas crowd will pay for that.
That one is easier, the other one is so easy.
And you know, some of the time when you go up on tour, you know, is a lot of traveling and a lot of movements, you understand? So, for checking at the hotel, you understand? And you go out and you go get your little necessary things and what you need, you know, because we have to eat and we need the brain food to see them way. So, me I say.
The exterminator crew, you know?
Tito, where's the look at now?
You see me I say? Yeah, man. I exterminator crew, we are chat. I push you looking around the father. Yeah, we are looking for the bush. You see me I say?
20 ball.
A reggae music take bush, you know, we have to burn the bush. If you don't burn the bush, boy, reggae music can't play. You see it?
See it. Nothing in the Babylon.
And some of the time we go out there same way, you have to meet some people and talk to some people and, you know, learn about the different culture and how the people them live and, you know, check out even the girl them how them look and give some trouble. I saw it go with up on the road, you know, it's just a vibes thing. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Big up Trinidad. Big up Trinidad, I say. Biggest up Trinidad people.
Take the camera off me. I'll take the camera off me.
That's a look fine. It's a look fine. It's looking.
take the camera off me.
Wait, you afraid of camera?
No, I don't know.
You don't like it? Why? That's a snake.
People in Guyana don't know the difference between that.
I think everybody is the same thing.
We think all South American islands are Peru, Ecuador. Okay. Same thing here.
I know.
And why are you here for the concert, man?
I'm there for talking friend from Venezuela.
No, they come to listen to the concert.
Well, I just got serious.
With the man being tired.
Why are you typing us? Hello? All rights reserved. Copyright people. Ow. You know.
Copyright people in the diet.
Take him playing. He's good.
Come Teetimus, come beside the grandfather.
No, wait, stop playing. Take off the blue. Take off the blue.
Teetimus, come beside the grandfather.
Yeah, man, I think it was ancient granddad, you know? Same look. Well, I can't see the
I don't know.
Assistant to our marker.
That's a tattoo. Lalini Rambaran. This is Charlene. This is Love.
I know love.
You got Charlene?
Charlie, I don't tell her. Charlie. And so that one, what's him?
Let's put a grass and the tall one.
Yeah. Two of them who are in here, right?
That's a lot.
Alright. The idea for yourself. Eh? The idea for yourself.
You always walking around with that nonsense.
Hello? You don't go away. What's your name?
Nisha.
You don't take the video.
Don't do that, please. I will go security for you. I am serious.
Are you shy?
I don't like. Well, that's what I was saying. Look. Just chill it to that. I'm not a dad.
That's what I said. Those are one I want to go on. Carla. What you say? Eh? Come.
I'm ready, yes, sir, I'm going to use this. Topping up. I'm going downtown again, I'm going to drive near it, I'm going to truck here.
What's the last time, Bruno?
Yeah, man. Sample, man.
Just a wait for the joint by now.
Eh?
Just a wait for the
man. What Murphy boy, rare. When you calling them a cup pepper?
come on as one split.
Oh.
So, two Fanso
So
fine.
we're not going down the man? So now we can try to go down the man?
You know, some of the time we have free time same way before the show, and you know, we like me and Teetimus most time, you know, we used to share a room because I just saw the thing set because the promoter don't have the money or them now go book room for everybody. You know, so some of the time the musician them all two man share a room, you understand? So most time me and Teetimus always share a room because me and Teetimus par straight. You understand? So this now we just hold our own vibes, practice with music and practice for the show and do our thing because you know we are musicians too and we have inspiration, we are singers, we are artists too. So you know more time we play some some different things and just all different vibes and entertain ourselves to see them where musically. And you don't know, friends always pass through because when you're on tour, it's a different thing. Some of the time, some of the room, some of the people in the room, if you don't mind shop, everybody did this up. And we are the vibe box, you understand? So more time, all the artists, everybody have to come to our room because our room the vibes there. Some of the time all food are cook in all our room savory and people have to forward because you can smell all the food are cooked from a mile away. Room are shot. Be a vibes and be energy and be a things, you understand? So, on a trip right now you have like Prince Malachi, you understand, from England, him that move with Exterminator crew them time there. And you even have Turbulence, because if you look even at truck back, Turbulence in a truck back, and Turbulence didn't enough of the footage too. But he never bust them time there, he wasn't a big artist like how he is right now. So if you check him out, you just see him just calm in a little car and a easy car, a Sizzla the man, them time there, you understand? But everybody I do them thing and I hold them vibes, I hold them vibes, I hold them vibes, I hold them vibes, I hold them vibes.
my lady. Wanna be my bride. My Trinidad queen. Needed to be my bride. I can remember the first time I saw you.
love, black man, we love them, you know. Stay nice and stay beautiful and the Rastafari love and come dominate the earth, you know. I thought poor people get rich, you know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Trinidad.
Boss the place.
Soundstage basement. Soundstage basement, one of the biggest students in the world. Whitney Houston and one of them come as a record. Get platinum album and them things.
Yeah, sir.
So we have a platinum rehearsal right and then we'll Sizzla.
Express the joy.
Alright, so and normal rehearsal and a high rehearsal. High platinum. So you jump and set up the percussion is with one. Normal rehearsal we just get two little things. Platinum rehearsal. Remember. Go on the keyboard. Just remember this rehearsal. Key person came take credit because you remember what the promoter put us yesterday. The promoter where he had us yesterday.
I can't afford for the keyboard player. I have to bear that in mind.
Yeah.
So I give one prop, can't give two props. One prop. Take off the S.
I don't know if you pick up the engineer next. The engineer when I say
Well, guess what? I couldn't plug out the percussion in. We still have sound. Yeah. My computer finger in.
A charcoal and that man.
1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Check, 1. Yeah, 1, 2. Check. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah. Enter the groove. Yeah, 2. Check 1, 2, yeah, 2. Yeah, check 1, 2. It's up to the results with reaching out to all crew. Yeah, 1, 2. It's your crew. Yeah, 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. Check 1, 2. That's good.
Camera. I'm going to see a teeth now, man. Alright.
No one from me nation. We no business, I own this something every nation. And I listen to the best I do know, I'm the best I dance and I say. So we walk your road, put me on your hands and your toes. Everything you have know there's in me. Just can't go to them and not clean, no clean. I remind them so much of who they are supposed to be. I'm a royalty, them lose them identity. Although the whole of them except no it's a number. We just from his mother's marks against Landa. And it has this. Let's get the propaganda cause them can't stop this. Yo. Every day, nobody. The fucking man, the Rasta, we are the get off your bones and your pride. Step there. This are the Rastaman sound. We don't refuse to criticism and we know that grudge. Place it solid and be honest, the power of love. Now I see they want us to be beneath the road. That's where we can be saturate. I need a miss. Let's go for the cause the chance of this. You don't know this one now. Oh, this is the get through. There's some stuff for all. We just bring those nice fellas get flat down. I need a miss. Let's go for the I know them hopeless? Who is to be blamed now? Western heart is them surname. Hopeless, and I hope here's them pain now. From the mess I see them picking up their brain. Hopeless, and I hope here's them pain now. From the mess I see them picking up their brain. Hopeless, and I hope here's them pain now. There's some those who praise in ranks and in perfect sense. Still they reply, I repeat your statement. There is no balance, so far not meant to say you have a good enough. We cannot make our relationship. Who don't know? Let we not know the world in this nation. I know the answer you want me in the nation. I saw it hard. I saw it see the record, youth's own race. Who is to be blamed now? Is them surname? Oh yes, the pain. From the rest I see them people on the cannon. Oh yes, who is to be blamed now? Western man is that surname? Oh yes, and I know here's the pain. The ghetto use them homeless. Who is to be blamed now? Western man is them surname? Homeless, and I know here's the pain now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know it is a good thing. Let me come and say, that we carry to them faces. There is a man and so upon the head. I would know that your man said it, so you said homeless. Who is to be blamed now? Western man is them surname? Homeless, and I know here's the pain now. What's the matter with the people they say? Homeless, and I know here's the pain now. From the mess I see them thinking of their brain. Homeless, oh, yeah. But then the current body use them on your bless you really bad. Don't suffer them heritage, yeah. Glorify the future when your bless you really bad. Oh yeah, oh, you love those corporations, they will not murder. That's the part I say, give them love and more care. Why they had them rob everything and never share. Look up to free, look up to the fear. And while nothing I know them and be first fear. Exile no one is and them disappear. So then we go to us in a piece and two. But there's no other people who oh man, so be blamed now. Western man is them turning, they use them homeless. And I don't use the big hole. From the rest I see them, oh man, so it's to be blamed now. Western man is them turning, homeless. Oh yeah. They get to use them homeless. So it's to be blamed now. Western man get to use them homeless. Rastafari, live and reign, still last year.
You know, so in them days, you know, with O'Brien and the radio station, they bring a lot of show to Trinidad. We get to meet a lot of people in the sound industry and radio industry too. I quite remember Hoppy and Quasi, you know, from the sound name Radioactive, and they were on the radio too, and them end up helping me with my rhythm called Grabber, which featured Anthony B and Louis Culture and Turbulence, and a lot of those songs went #1 in Trinidad, you know, worse because of the help of, you know, my friends them play the music on the radio station and then big it up and it take off in Trinidad. Up to this day, them songs, they are big song in Trinidad. You understand? So the whole of vibes in the radio station, and you don't know, it was amazing. You have to big up Radioactive. I don't know. Up to, you know, in 2021 now, where the man them are doing war go on, because, you know, we lose a lot of contact. Everything change, system change, people change, everything change, you know. Life we connect back same way and take things to the next level right you know, because that way I do, we bring it up, because more time you have to study your past so you know what you're going to do in the future.
Monday, one place to be, Club Select.
It's the Craven A Smooth Summer Concert, Saturday, August 28th, Queens Park Hall, featuring Morgan Heritage live.
Yo, so like Trinidad.
Pioneering the revival in conscious
You know the DJ? Yeah. Yeah, man, so the tunes over that. So they saw any tunes over there in the computer.
Feel the positive energy. Morgan Heritage.
Right up like that, right? You have to one after the other. So you don't need to use the other.
The system on our best. The concert event of the century. Saturday, August 28th. It's the Reggae Smooth Summer Concert.
Some new styles, some new tunes. You watch it now. Inter, Louis culture. Louis, that's our time. Friday night looking solid. Yeah.
Tell them leave me alone. Give thanks for life. Give thanks to us for the wife. Like a British style. Life nice. Rejoice. And give thanks now. Surprise. Like the heat, the air and water. It's like joy that the sky and sea.
Oh, Daya.
Tell me now.
Right about now. With one love straight from Trinidad. Gotta say top of the night to the man. Daya, manager of Determined. Live on the South Switch 96. Swah! Put that up again now. I want to call Louis.
It's the air and water. It's like joy, just sky and sea. No more nature with the suns and darkness. Living in a row and a tea. What is it for the soul? Tell me now. Tell you how we go. Tell you how we go. Press back. I'm saying for the soul.
Lauren is set up
Okay.
Go in the back now, show it.
You want to hold it back or you want to get somebody to know something?
Anyway, come here around 6 o'clock then.
Come here for 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
6:30. Time I saw it look good. I'm telling you, when you at least you looking better than me, I shame. Give me the pillow. Give me the pillow. Ooh, no. In a state. And we have proper lighting in this place. We have proper lighting, that's it to make us so decent. I want to know what time to resolve it.
6. That's awesome. There. Yeah, that's some key in it. Yeah, looking terrible. Those black thing is Lauren Hill. That's all. Lauren Hill drum set and stuff. Percussion. Man, you can stuff. And then push we up and still people. They push we up. Push the wall. They want to say we are push the wall. Show it up. Then I do it. One of them tell me nothing, so I must go and tape. Hold on. Mine drop off of that stuff.
Eh?
Mine drop off of that stuff.
Poop in your face there. Sick of that.
Yes, people, thank you for watching Dia Warrior Music History. And that was, you know, Sizzla in Trinidad. I have the show too, you know, the actual show, at least some of the footage. In those days, I gave it to Robert Hilton from TVJ. Those times you have Video Saturday, and he played it for the Jamaican people, you know, in 1999. But, you know, I can't find some of the footage them, because them breaking on my car in California and thief my computer and thief some of my hard drive, and some of my things them get messed up. But I manage to still have a lot of things, you know, because these things is like diamond. And look out, I have a lot of things to come. I have Shabba Ranks, an interview with Shabba Ranks in a normal. I have some footage of Bounty Killer. I have some footage. I have all different type of footage where people I go show them. And this is the real history. 20 odd years worth of history you talk about when enough of that generation are picnic. So now you can get to see where the industry come from, all the artists them used to stay them time, the vibes, the energy was different. People were so excited about the artists them. It was crazy. Euphoria, all type of madness. Different time. But as I said, thank you for watching Dia Warrior Music History. And this was the first one. And I have to give special thanks to Sizzla Kalonji. You don't know. Him are the man. And next time we see another artist and see some other things. I have a next thing to with Sizzla in St. Kitts. So I'm going to show you what is what, people. Give thanks. One love. Dia Warrior. Out. Out.